a new benchmark for steel titans. The perfect fusion of powerful performance and smart technology. With a fully upgraded exterior and interior, it's packed with a cool aesthetic. Intelligent control, fuel efficiency, and even more power. Building on a robust structural foundation, we've reinforced the chassis and main frame, enhancing stability and increasing traction by 20%. Whether it's pushing, filling, or excavating, nothing is beyond its reach. This is truly a steel beast. Equipped with the HW17DE electronic control engine, it meets the China Stage 4 emission standards. The 345L enlarged fuel tank boosts endurance by 15%, allowing for continuous 16-hour operation. The driving space is greatly enhanced, featuring a standard rear-mounted air conditioning system with a top that design that improves cooling and heating efficiency. The air conditioning components are also easy to maintain, with comprehensive upgrades in power, control, and driving environment. The HW17DE Bulldozer is truly a steel titan,